Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show how to sign up to CoinSpot. This works for both Android and iOS device users. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on any important information and make any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, head over to your Play or App Store depending on which device you're using and go ahead and type in CoinSpot and then click on CoinSpot and then click on download and install. In my case, I need to enable it, so I'm going to go and do that and update it. So once you've downloaded, installed it, or updated, I'll pause this video and come back to you. Alright, once it's done, click on open. And then if you're not a member, click on sign up today. And then type in the email you'd like to use, add in your password. And if you've got an affiliate code or referral, pop that in too. So I'll go ahead and do this now. Once you've done that, click on I'm not a robot. And then click on create account. Click on save. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. How to create a CoinSpot account. Also head over to your email or emails to verify your CoinSpot too. Alright. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.